This is a review of using the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. Here is the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And to plug in a, b, and c, our quadratic equation has to equal 0. So the first thing you need to check is that your quadratic equation equals 0. Then we can pick out a, b, and c, and they just go in order. A is our first number in front of the x squared. B is our second number in front of x, and c is our last number that does not have an x by it. Okay, so we have, what are the solutions of x, this is supposed to be squared, x squared minus 8 equals 2x. Okay, so first thing is we need to make sure it equals 0. So in order to do that, we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, and it needs to be in standard form, which means the x squared has to come first, then our x, then our constant, or our number that does not have any x's by it. Now we can pick out our a, b, and c. A is 1, since there's no number in front of the x squared, that means it's 1. B is negative 2, and c is negative 8. Now we can plug it into the quadratic formula. Negative b, which is negative 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Okay, so then we should start with simplifying what's on the inside of the square root. We can also rewrite this negative 2 as positive 2, okay, opposite of negative 2, or 2, plus or minus the square root. Okay, negative 2 squared is 4. We're going to multiply all three of these together, so negative 4 times 1 times negative 8 is positive 32, all over 2 times 1, or 2. Okay, then we can add these together, so 4 plus 32 is 36. 36 has a nice square root. Square root of 36 is 6. So 2 plus or minus 6 over 2. Now we're going to split this into our two answers. Since we have no square roots left over, we can split it into two separate answers. One of them is going to be 2 plus 6 over 2. So 2 plus 6 over 2. Our other one is going to be 2 minus 6 over 2. So 2 plus 6 is 8 over 2 is 4. 2 minus 6 is negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. So our two solutions are negative 2 and 4.